Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with a new video for y'all, and today I'm showing you how to make baked barbecue jerk chicken. So tender and juicy and so flavorful, y'all. So if you into it and it looks good, sit back and let's go. Alright, y'all, so to 8 chicken thighs, skin on, bone in, that are cleaned, I'm going to with some olive oil. I'm going to with my favorite jerk marinade, that Walker's Wood spicy. I'm going in with a couple of heaping tablespoons of that, y'all. And then I'm going in with my favorite barbecue sauce, or one of them. And I'm going in with about another couple tablespoons of that as well. It's all up to you. I'm going in with some Worcestershire sauce, a couple dashes of that. And I'm also going in with some pepper, going in with a little squirt of ketchup, going in with some garlic powder, and then I'm finishing it off with a little bit of salt, y'all. Then after that, I just mix it all up. Y'all know how I do it. And y'all know I gotta speed this thing up because I just be mixing, I feel like, for minutes on end. So anyway, y'all, mix that up. Make sure the sauce gets all under the skin and everything. Then you wanna place it in your casserole dish. And I'm just showing you again how I'm just pulling that skin back and just making sure that I'm spreading all of that marinade all up under there. We want maximum surface coverage. Y'all know I keep saying it and I ain't playing. Okay, y'all? And then you just want to place all of those into your casserole dish, skin side up, so that skin can get nice and crispy. And then you put it in your oven, 375, for about 30 minutes or so. This is what it should look like after that 30 minutes. And just look at that gravy and all of the juices that have started to come out of that chicken, y'all. And then we're just going to simply baste that chicken all in that nice, luscious chicken juice mixed with all those seasonings. Then, y'all, after that, I place it back in the oven for another 20 minutes or so, and this is what you have, y'all. That chicken really cooked up nicely, and it is just doing everything that I wanted it to do, y'all. So good, y'all. I promise you. And I served mine with just some fried cabbage with some fresh veggies up in there. Well, I shouldn't say fresh. They're frozen. So definitely the opposite of fresh. I had just like some frozen mixed veggie. I just threw that up in there just for, just some more veggies. Eat your veggies. Check that playlist out as well. I have that on my channel. Eat your veggies. Check it out. And I also served it with some fried plantains, one of my favorite ingredients to cook with, y'all, especially since after I moved up here to New York a couple years ago. So y'all, I also just sliced up some plantains and I just cooked them all off nicely in some, I think that's vegetable oil right there. Definitely cook it in neutral oil. Don't cook it in olive oil or anything, y'all. Just a couple of minutes per side on medium heat, and that is what you have, y'all. And I'm just plating this stuff up. Y'all know I love to show y'all me plating it up, so just placing on that nice cooked, seasoned, baked barbecue jerk chicken, spooning over some of that gravy over the top, y'all. And then of course I gotta show y'all me cutting into it, y'all. It was just so tender. I was cutting on the bone right there, so I finally figured it out after a couple seconds, y'all. But yeah, y'all, this barbecue jerk chicken was fire. So good. So y'all, hope you like this little quick video I have for y'all today. Definitely let me know down below in them comments. Like I always say, this dinner was really good, and this is honestly like a realistic look at kind of what I eat during the week, honestly. And with that said, y'all, let me know if you're interested in that kind of video idea. Kind of like, what do I eat during the week? Let me know if you're interested in that. But y'all, with all that said, if you like the video, hit that like button. You can subscribe to the channel, y'all, for more videos just like this every single week. All right, y'all, later.